started.
Okay guys, Atomic Redneck here, and this is something that I've been waiting for a very long time. I know everybody's gonna give me shit, call me a pussy because I'm not reaching in the bag and pulling it out, but it's been in a bag and a box since like 4 o'clock, so she's also shedding. She's already pretty ticked off, so I figured instead of piss her off more, I'm gonna do it this way. So this is what you get. I have no idea how big she is or anything like that, so this is going to be new for us all. No idea how her temper is or any of that sorts, so we're going to do it like this. She's also, like I said, she's shedding. Oh yeah, she's in a very rough shed right now. Very rough shed right now. But that is her. Right for the water. So for those of you who don't know, this is a green anaconda. And it is a female. And it does get very big. This is a 4x2x2 cage, just to start with. My hands are shaking. Figured while I was at it, I would do a quick update on my crocodile, who is right there. He's doing good. He switched to a half water, half land cage. My boa, as you can kind of see her, she switched to a 6-foot cage. And my berm is also in a 6-foot cage. Just figured I'd throw those in there. But yeah, new berm, female. But back to the good stuff. Female green anaconda. Finally got one. Sorry my video sucks, my hands are shaking. I'm so excited. It's the longest drive and the longest wait I've ever went through. But I figure by tomorrow all this skin will be off, and actually she looks pretty bright under that skin. I thought she was going to be a lot darker, but I'm good with the brightness. So yeah, here she comes cruising to say hi everybody. All those buggy eyes, just so derpy. Oh, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. So I'm going to leave it at that till she gets the rest of the skin off. Thanks for watching.